The former mayor of the ANC, Mzwandile Masina, has firmly denied reports suggesting that he has left the African National Congress to join the Umkhonto we Sizwe party, describing the allegations circulating on social media as false and misleading. Masina, a member of the ANC's National Executive Committee (NEC) and former mayor of the city of Ekurhuleni, said the claims were fabricated by anonymous social media accounts attempting to damage his political standing and create divisions within the ANC. The former mayor, who led the municipality from 2016 to 2021, issued a strong statement rejecting the rumors and said, "It came to my attention that there is false information circulating on social media claiming that I have joined the Umkhonto we Sizwe party. This is a blatant fabrication and nothing more than gossip spread by faceless accounts." He added that the claims appear to be a deliberate attempt to undermine his credibility and sow confusion among ANC members. Masina stressed that his political roots and loyalty remain firmly within the ANC, noting that he has risen through the ranks of the party over many years. He said, "I remain a loyal member of the ANC. My commitment to the organization cannot be questioned by anonymous gossipers on social media." The NEC member also reaffirmed his behalf that the ANC remains the most effective vehicle to advance the struggle against inequality and oppression in South Africa. And said, "As a member of ANC, NEC, my focus is on helping the organization regain lost ground and restore confidence among the people." Masina urged both the ANC members and the public to ignore what he described as sensational claims circulating online. He said, "My revolutionary commitment to the ANC is lifelong. I will never betray those who sacrificed for the freedom we enjoy today." The rumors about Masina's alleged defection come amid ongoing political realignments in South Africa, where the emergence of the Umkhonto we Sizwe party has sparked speculation about potential shifts among prominent ANC figures. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please